When you choose a DHF member for your garage door installation, you can be assured that you will receive the highest levels of quality, professionalism and support from your first call to installation and beyond. Firstly, DHF members will take the time to truly understand your requirements, from colour and design preferences to security, insulation, weather sealing, automation and, most importantly, safety. They will then carry out a comprehensive survey to take measurements, check ground levels and identify any possible challenges to overcome. After the survey, they will discuss ideas, potential options and offer you expert advice so you can make an informed decision that is right for you. All DHF members will provide you with a detailed quotation that outlines a summary of your discussions. DHF members ensure a professional and considerate service throughout installation, and once completed will give you a full demonstration of how to use and maintain your new automated or manual garage door, and provide all of the required documentation you need, including a manufacturer's guarantee, installation warranty and details of DHF's Warranty Plus promise for extra peace of mind. DHF members provide excellent after-sales care. If you have any questions after installation, you can contact the DHF member for support. When you choose a DHF member, it results in a quality product and an installation that is both safe and compliant and a long-term property investment. For more information, speak to your chosen DHF member today.